Well, hello everybody, and today I am over at the Wilderness Lodge. So I'm actually leaving the Wilderness Lodge right now. So if you guys are interested in taking any boat rides at the Wilderness Lodge, just go on through the Wilderness Lodge resort, walk around the pool, and the boat launch is back to the back left. So where you see the geyser out behind the pool, it's to the left of that. There's two different boats that you're going to have the ability to get on. This is one of the smaller ones, and then you'll see the bigger white, yellow, and blue boats coming in also. Right now we just happen to take this one. And as you can see, it was nice and empty, so I figured it would be a nice opportunity to shoot a video. And here's your Wilderness Lodge as we're leaving. So you've got the Wilderness Lodge, and then you've got the second resort right next to that, which actually is a DVC resort, and that one's going to be Onboard Ridge. Right now we're heading, as you can see in front, you've got the Bay Lake Tower over to the right, you've got the Contemporary over there to the left. Now if you guys look way up on top, I'm actually going to try to get up there today and see if I can get the, up on top there, that little glass section. There's actually a restaurant overlooks the Magic Kingdom, but I'm going to see if I can get up in there and shoot today. I was told to get on over there and see if I can get there early. They let me up top of that and do some shooting, so I got my fingers crossed. And this is actually a nice boat ride. If you guys like just going on the rides, taking a break, kicking your feet back so you can relax your feet a little bit, these boat rides are awesome. They're all over the place in Disney. You just got to find what you're looking to do, and then go from there. You know, they got them over at the Boardwalk Resort, which will take you over to the Hollywood Studios, the Yacht Club, Epcot. This one here happens to take you between the Contemporary over to the Wilderness, and it'll take you right on over to the Magic Kingdom. The Magic Kingdom, you can actually jump off of this one and either jump on the big ferry, and that'll take you back over to the ticketing center, or you can jump on some smaller boats over there and they'll take you over to the Polynesian and the Grand Floridian. So this one we just happened to jump on today, but this is a nice fun ride. And maybe we'll get lucky enough to see a monorail come on out of the Contemporary today in the drive-through. And these are some of the rooms you're going to stay at. You have the ability to stay out here if you're at the Contemporary Resort, or you can stay up inside the actual building. So I've got a couple of choices there. And at the inside the Contemporary is actually newly refurbished. So when you go in there, all the doors are a little bit different now. They've got some scenes on them, and they had shut down quite a while, but it's all. It looks like it's all fully open now. Everything seems to be up and running over there. No construction that I've noticed. It's like kind of like a crossway. You're going to go through here, and it's actually going to be going over top of a highway also. So the cars are going to be going underneath you, so that's always fun to see when you're driving. Here's a better look at the Contemporary. And that's the building you're going to see. If you guys see a lot of Disney things and you haven't been here, that's the building that the monorails go right on through, and they come out the other side. So if you haven't seen that, that's what you want to pay attention to. I think I got a couple of monorail videos posted, so I'll show you some of that stuff. So it's a nice day out today. Nice weather. It's not too bad, not too hot. I just walked up through the Wilderness Lodge, got a good video over there. We also did the Copper Creek cabins over there, and we did the Boulder Ridge. It's a monorail back there, and there's the larger boat right there. So if you guys are looking to get on the larger ones, they do have them, and you can go right inside there. Sometimes keeps you out of the hot sun. But there's your monorail off in the distance. It's hidden in the trees right now. Maybe we'll get a better view when we get up near the Grand Floridian area. And you get a little bit of peek up there on the right-hand side. That's going to be where the Magic Kingdom is. And over on the left here, as we start coming into the clearing, you're going to see the white and red buildings, which is the Grand Floridian Resort. It's got the Grand Floridian, the villas over there also. So most of the resorts now have duplicates. So you've got the Grand Floridian, And then you've got the villas over there at the Grand Floridian. So the villas are DVC, and then you've got the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian, that also has a DVC over there. And then you've got the Wilderness Lodge, which also has DVC over there. So if you are a timeshare owner of the DVC, you can stay at a lot of these resorts and you just get to use your points so you don't have to pay cash. If you want to stay in a different resort, you can always swap them to a different resort. There's another big boat right there. That looks like some new paint on there. I'm used to seeing the light blue and yellow. That's a darker blue. Now, if you squint your eyes a little bit, way off in the distance, that's the Polynesian resort. So that one right now, they've torn up the entire luau section, the luau cove. That is now gone. So they ripped that out of there. It's really sad because I really like that whole area right back there, especially at Christmas time. It's pretty, and I heard some rumors that they're putting in a hotel over there. Hopefully not. Hopefully they put some other type of thing in there that's got something to do with the Polynesian. I think they've got more than enough rooms anymore, but they need to have some more things going on in the resorts. The resorts are a little thin with what you have to do, the activities. It was nice to see the big luau cove, but it was a nice place to walk back and see too. There's nothing over there. Hopefully they put something nice in there. And you can see off to the left there is the Grand Floridian. It's one of the higher end resorts here. The Wilderness Lodge, or Fort Wilderness, or the Wilderness Lodge. That's another high end one. Then you've got the Fort Wilderness. That's over near the Wilderness Lodge, and for some reason I always love to jump on that bus ride going over there. I always jump in the wrong bus, get a ride over there, and then realize it's not taking me to where I want to go. So if you guys are coming over there, be mindful of where you're getting on. So if you're getting on a bus, make sure you're going to the Wilderness Lodge or the Fort Wilderness Campgrounds. So there are two different places. They're kind of similar, so you can't jump on the wrong bus, guys. Pay attention. And we're coming up in right now to the Magic Kingdom. That's the monorail section up there where you're going to disembark the monorail or get on it, and you can see a monorail coming in right now. This is one of the docks where one of the boats disembark. They got their security over there. And in the background, you've got the Walt Disney World Railroad Station. Handing over here, we've got the Contemporary now from this angle. And to the left of that is going to be the Bay Lake Tower. And this is pretty much your ride from the Wilderness Lodge over to the Magic Kingdom today. So that's just one of the rides. Like I said, it's one of the boat rides located here on Walt Disney World property, guys. So we'll catch you on the next one.